In this video, I will teach you how to fulfill your BTC wallet with Bitcoins using credit or debit card. This service supports only Visa or MasterCard now. Other payment methods are described in another videos of this series. Find the links in description. There are various methods of obtaining the most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. We did our best to collect all popular services and methods in a single article. You can find it in the section Help, Main Articles, and the article is named How to Buy and Store Bitcoins. In this video, I will show just one example of services which can be used to fulfill the wallet. Be aware that we have no responsibility for any of the third-party services which are described in this article. In previous video, we have shown how to register an account on Binance Exchange. Now we will fulfill this account with Bitcoins. As the main method of buying Bitcoins, let's have a look at the service called Coinmama. The link to Coinmama can be found in the help article or the video description. After we enter the website, we go to Sign Up section and enter all the details they require. Don't forget to enter correct email address, reliable password, first and last name, same way how it is printed on our ID card or driving license. Next step is the email verification. We click the link in the email which has just arrived. Now we need to log in again. CoinMama asks us to enter information about ourselves. This is required to use the service. We fill all that information. We need to enter correct document number and expiration date, which scan will be asked to be uploaded on the next step. Now we need to upload a photo or a scan of our documents both sides. We also need to make a selfie with our documents in hand and a sheet of paper with the word CoinMama and current date. It's shown on the animated image how to do it better. After we have uploaded what is required, we hit the button below and wait until our account gets verified. It usually takes less than 24 hours. When we have verified CoinMama account, we can start buying Bitcoins right away. We click Buy Bitcoin on the left menu and enter amount which we want to buy. It's easy to determine an amount. It should be a sum of destination moon subscription price and traded amount from the exchange. You can enter dollar amount and see its Bitcoin equivalent and vice versa. We will buy $60 equivalent as an example. Now we need to enter our wallet address. To get your wallet address, open new tab in the browser and load Binance website there, binance.com. Next, log in to your account. After logging in, go to Funds, Deposits section. In this search field, we enter currency we want to deposit. Let's enter three big letters, BTC, and select Bitcoin. This is the address of our Bitcoin wallet. Be extremely careful when you copy it and send only Bitcoin currency to this wallet, no other cryptocurrency. Now we get back to CoinMama tab in our browser and paste previously copied BTC address to the appropriate field. We enter our credit or debit card details now and hit Pay Now button. After the successful payment, the money from our card should be deducted, exchanged to Bitcoins, and sent to the entered wallet address. This could take some time. You can always check the status of your transaction in Orders section. We hope that now you can easily fulfill your Bitcoin wallet anytime. In the next video, we will show how to pay for destination moon invoice from your Binance Exchange balance.